this is how we chat from mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video we're gonna try to fix some problem of Skype. For example, let me open Skype in my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and here we have iPhone 12. So the problem is iPhone 12. Whenever you write anything to your Skype, start to showing some notification. Let me show you. It could happen with computer, also your phone. Let me open here Skype, and I'm sending some text to myself. You see blocked, some notification I get. You see this is, I lock the screen and I'm trying again. You see blocked Skype audio, something as this is very horrendous, very much bothering. So whatever you type, whatever you do in Skype, you get notification into your iPhone because it's connected with the same account. So what we can do in this case, let's go to the iPhone. I go to the setting here and I go to Skype. Let's see, here we go. In Skype setting, let's go to the notification. You have to try with different way. I off the notification, is not working the same in this case. So let's try another way. I will delete Skype from here. I tap remove app. I delete Skype, directly delete the app. It's gone. So we delete Skype in iPhone. Now we'll go to App Store again. App Store. Touch here and type Skype. I hit for install. It's done installation. I hit open. Let's go. Sign in or create. I put my email address of Skype and passwords, and I will be back. So I enter again to my Skype. I connect. Let's see. Let's try this one again. I don't get any notification at all. Now let's see, I put here no notification at all. I block this one and I send. Perfect. It's working fine, guys. So this is how you can fix the problem of Skype notification. If you are getting notification again and again, let's try one more time. No notification at all. Perfect. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.